Okay, so this
ain't no need to check the score, bitch. I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch. My life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic tour, gas look like a leaf blower. Out of town with my bus on, bitch. I'm from Detroit. I got some white boys that really bought it.
What is up, Deezy Nation? It's your girl Deezy, and I'm back with another mother loving video. Okay, period. So I am excited, as you can already tell. I'm looking crusty right now because I am taking out my braids. And I am about to cut my hair off. Yeah, I'm about to cut it off, y'all. Like, I'm about to start over again. You know what I'm saying? Like, only a few people know about this. Like, my parents don't even know about this, and they're not gonna know about it until they actually like see me or whatever. But yeah, I'm taking out my braids and I'm excited, y'all. So the reason why I decided to do it today is because, like, I text my beautician. I'm like, yeah, I'm about to cut my hair. What you think I should do it? She was like, no. I was like, why? I forgot what she even said. But I'm like, okay, well, it don't even matter. Like, I'm gonna do it anyway. What made me decide that I was gonna do it today, this is the only reason, was that if my hair, like my natural hair, was gonna be long enough, because if it wasn't gonna be long enough, then, you know what I'm saying, I'll just have to wait and cut it, grow it out some more. You know what I'm saying? But I decided to wet it and see. And where it's curly at, you know what I'm saying? That's okay, period. That's how long my hair is. And I'm about to do it, y'all. I am not a beautician or anything, okay? I'm gonna do it anyway. And like, if it needs to be fixed, and plus we're under quarantine or whatever. If it needs to be fixed, I would just have to wait until, you know what I'm saying, we get out of quarantine and they're gonna have to fix it. But whatever, I'm excited. The reason why I'm cutting off my hair is because, as some of you guys know, I permed it. I don't even know why I permed it. I permed it just because I knew I could and I wanted something different. And actuality, like, I'm over it. So, and I want my natural hair. And like, since I'm going back natural, I'll never perm my hair ever again. And like, I'm able to put that on my life. Like, I'm pretty much sure that I'll never ever perm my hair again. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, and I'm cutting it because like, I wanted to go back natural. And plus my hair grows fast, and plus I low-key feel like I needed a reason to like cut my hair short. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I have the hair, the head for it, the face for it, or whatever. I'm excited, y'all. Like, I ain't never did this before, bro. And no, ain't nothing wrong. I ain't going through nothing. Because usually when I like change my hair color or cut my hair, I'm going through something. But this time, I'm not. So, like, bro, look. My hair about to be pretty as, bro, my hair about to be, ooh, excuse my language. My hair about to be pretty as heck. I'm excited, you guys. I am excited. Yeah, but my beautician told me, like, don't do it. But I feel like, what beautician is gonna tell you, yeah, go ahead and cut it? and especially if you don't have no, like, expertise. Like, what real beautician is gonna tell you to cut your own hair? Come on now. So I feel like that's why she told me no. But then I texted her back like, okay, well, I'm gonna just wait for you on the 13th. I'm like, well, I'm gonna try. But I low-key already knew that I wasn't. So that's that. Y'all, I'm really excited because my hair is actually long enough. Like, I was worried that it wasn't going to be. And like, the whole reason why I permed my hair is because I was just tired of doing it. But what I realized, even with permed hair, short hair, long hair, straight hair, whatever the case may be, curly hair, it's always maintenance. It's always going to be maintenance. It may not be as much maintenance as the next, but it's always going to be maintenance for your hair. And I realized that because with my hair being straight, it wasn't many hairstyles that I could do. You know what I'm saying? Like unless I wanted to put heat in it every day. Like, I could curl my hair and then like go to sleep, and then I would have to curl it again when I wake up and things like that. So it's like, okay, like, what's the point? With my natural hair, it was like the same. Like, I didn't feel like doing it every day and doing this, that, and the other, and I was just tired of looking like a little like kid. That was my excuse. But like, I got a baby face. So I feel like I'm gonna always look like a kid no matter what hairstyle that I have. I mean, if I got hair going down my back, probably not. I'm gonna still look like young or whatever, but not so much like a kid, but I'm gonna still look like a child. I never did this before, and usually when I think about doing stuff with my hair, I get so nervous. But I'm not. And I'm actually really excited to go back with this natural hair journey. Cause like, I don't even know why I did that anyway. Like that was just so stupid, bro. I mean, it wasn't stupid because that was my choice and I wanted to do it, but I'm excited, y'all. I have no clue how I'm gonna look. I just know my curls about to be popping. Ain't no turning back. I know I'm gonna have to like get it tapered and stuff because I really don't know how to do that. Oh my gosh. See, I could turn back. I could turn back now, actually. I can do it. I could turn back now because like I could just wear my hair down, you know what I'm saying? And cover that up. But I don't want to. Right now I look like a crackhead. It's crazy how crazy you look while doing this process. I'm about to wash my hair. And I'll be back, and hopefully when I come back it's styled and it looks like something. Okay, so this is the final look. So I didn't have none of my regular products that I would use for my natural hair. I didn't even have my brush that I would usually use and things like that. So yeah, I didn't even have my brush, my dimming brush that I usually use, my natural hair care products that I would usually use to actually define this. I had went to Walmart like before I did all this to get some shampoo and conditioner, and I went to go pick up the As I Am gel that I used when I was natural, and I picked up the wrong stuff. I literally picked up the wrong conditioner and the wrong stuff, so I just had to use some stuff that I had here. So it's not really as defined as I would like it to be. It's dried already, but it's just something about this front that I just can't get with. I don't know. They just issued a, what did they just issue? A state emergency or something like that for Michigan. Yeah, it was dried until I just did all that. But okay, no, hold on, we gonna have to fix this. Once I get my products to really like bleak my hair, because if you part of the OG squad, y'all know how my hair was when I was natural. Y'all know how it was. Y'all know how it was. Literally all the stores are closed. I gotta get it tapered. I want to get the sides tapered, and I want to get the back tapered. It was cute before I just started messing with it. Now I look like a freaking crack baby, cause whenever I like poof it up, it looks stupid. But yeah, I gotta get it shaped and cut and things like that. But once things stop being on lockdown and whatnot, I'm gonna go get my products. I don't even know how I did on the back. I ain't even looked at the back though, so hopefully y'all can tell what it looked like back there. I did try to diffuse it, but when I diffused it, it kind of made it look kind of stupid. But it's still kind of wet. I should have just finger coiled everything since I didn't have my products that I usually use. But I literally know that everybody is going to be freaking shocked, and I really don't know why, because I've been said I was gonna cut my hair off. I've been said it. I'm pretty sure once I get it styled and everything like that, it's going to be way shorter than this. Like, way shorter. Ooh. Check the light. Yeah, it's going to be way shorter than this. I guarantee you. Curls. Popping. What? What? Yeah, I feel like it just needs to be evened out for real. Cause this side is longer than this side, and it needs to be evened out. It was looking cute before I got to messing with it. But anyway, this concludes this video, y'all. This random video. Hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys let me know how you guys feel about it. Let me know how you feel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on this journey, this new journey that I'm about to take, okay? Period. Your girl Deezy. Out. Bye.
Ain't no need to check the score, bitch, I'ma keep scoring. I get money and go home, bitch, my life boring. Mama want me to quit the lean, but I'ma keep pouring. Got an automatic 12 gas.